Are you trying to quit smoking by using vaping as a substitute? Many smokers have turned to vape as a possibly safer alternative because smoking is the biggest cause of preventable deaths globally. We think that you have a burning desire to know if vaping is a healthier alternative. In this video, we'll look at the scientific research on the potential negative health impacts of vaping versus smoking. Before we get started, like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos. First of all, let's define these two terms and their differences. Vaping. Vaping includes heating a liquid, often including nicotine and other flavorings, to produce a vapor that is inhaled. Smoking. Smoking involves the burning of narcotic substance such as tobacco and marijuana and inhaling the smoke produced. Chemical content. The chemical makeup of the substances being inhaled is one of the main distinctions between smoking and vaping. Many carcinogens, including tar, carbon monoxide, and other hazardous substances are released when a person smokes. Contrarily, vaping generates a vapor that often has less dangerous compounds than cigarette smoke. Nicotine content. Smoking and many vaping products both contain nicotine, a highly addictive chemical. Although vaping may not be as bad for you as smoking, it can still make you addicted to nicotine, which can have a lot of adverse effects on your health. The epidemic of youth vaping. The popularity of vaping among teenagers is one of the main issues in today's world. Concerns regarding nicotine addiction and long-term health repercussions have arisen as a result of the dramatic rise in the number of teenagers and young people using vaping products in recent years. 4 out of 5 kids, or nearly 80% of middle and high school pupils, were exposed to e-cigarette advertising in 2016. Effects on health. Though often seen as less dangerous than smoking, vaping is still not entirely out of harm's way. Vaping has been linked to blood vessel dysfunction, heart disease risk, and lung damage, according to research. Because many vaping products contain nicotine, they may also be addicting. Both smoking and vaping irritate your airways and lungs, which can aggravate several lung-related illnesses such as asthma, long-term bronchitis, and emphysema. It's probably common knowledge that smoking raises your risk of developing chronic obstructive lung disease, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. In a nutshell, vaping is still not entirely safe, even though it is typically thought to be less dangerous than smoking. Its popularity among young people is alarming because it can still result in lung damage, heart disease, and nicotine addiction. It's crucial to weigh all of your alternatives, including nicotine replacement treatment, counseling, and other smoking cessation techniques, if you're a smoker trying to quit. And before anything, consult your general practitioner because doctor knows best. Thanks for watching our video on whether vaping is better than smoking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative and health-related content.